Hi guys, welcome to Bougie Doll Life. My name is Katrina, and yes, we are in my custom bathroom that I recently did, but we're gonna make some changes because Barbie came out with some really cute and fun bathroom self-care products. So we're gonna go ahead and have a look at that, and then we're gonna go ahead and switch up some stuff in this bathroom because I want to give it a little bit of an upgrade. Okay guys, so let me show you the new bathroom stuff that I got from Barbie. So first we're going to look at the Barbie You Could Be Anything. This is the self-care kit. I saw this in Target and I had to have it. So I'm going to go ahead and get into it. It looks like a full self-care kit with like a foot bath, eye mask, and even little bath bombs that we can put inside the bathroom. I think it's totally cute. And we got a new robe. And if you guys don't know or follow me on Instagram, which you should, I'll put it in the corner of the screen. A lot of my dolls wear robes. This one's wearing a robe right now. And then with I thought the other one's wearing a robe, but majority of my dolls are always in robes. So when I saw this robe, I'm like, oh, a new Barbie robe. So I definitely had to snag this up, and it's a new pattern. So let's go ahead and look at this first. So on the back of the packaging, you can pretty much see what comes with the doll. So it shows that she comes with like a face exfoliator. She comes with some sandals, a foot bath, one of these little wax warmers, and then she comes with some bath bombs. She comes with a dog and a ducky, which is so cute. So, and also this shows the doll fully with a mask in her hand, and she's wearing a headband. So let's go ahead and open her up. Okay guys, so this is the doll straight out of the box. She's so cute. I really like her face. I think she has a pretty face mold. You know, I'm definitely gonna keep her because she is articulated. She's not fully articulated, but she's articulated enough to be with my other dolls. Like say like if I have a doll party or I want to add her as one of my doll's friends, then she does have a really good face screening. She doesn't have any pixelation that I see so far on her face, and I really love it. And honestly, I really like the way she looks. Her hair goes all the way down to her tailbone right here, and she comes with this cute robe with the lemons on it. It's so cute. I can not wait to use this robe. And then she comes with these really cute pink slides that are very, very cute, and I really like that. So as for her range of motion, she has full rotation of the head and the elbow and her wrist, and she could bend at the knee. So I really do like this. Like a lot of my dolls, sometimes I just leave them with this articulation if, you know, I'm not planning to photograph them in ways where I want them to touch their face. So this is perfect for me, and I really do like that. And I love how they make these dolls, like the self-care dolls, they make them a little bit more than just the 5 points of articulation, and I really like that. And also she comes with this headband. It looks like it's tied in the front. Like, you know how they have the little scrunch headbands? I don't know if you guys see me wear it in my channel, but I really do love those headbands. They're so cute. She comes with this accessory pack on the side, and we're gonna get into that. So in the accessory pack, she comes with a little set of bath bombs, which I think are so cute, and I love how it's realistic colors. This is what I really loved about these two sets, is that it came with realistic colors. It's not like the bubbly different colors that don't match. This is so cute, and I think it'll be so cute in the bathroom that I have in my dollhouse. So adorable. And then it also comes with a little mask that the doll can put on her face, which will be really cute. Let's put it on her to see how it looks. Okay, so this is her with the face mask on. It's so cute. You can see her little eyes through there. I like that. And also it came with a little tiny towel. I didn't even see it in the back of the packaging, but she comes with like a little tiny towel. I usually just end up putting this on the end of the tub. You guys will see once I add it to my bathroom. But yeah, definitely this is really cute. And she also comes with some other skincare actual like tools. Like she comes with this scrubber, which is really cute. I think it's like a massager, because well, the massager I have is like the two balls that I use like on the side, and I roll up my face. I like the rollers more than this like vibrating type of tool. Either that or something to massage on the face. That's what I think it's for, because I've seen girls use this. And it also has a peg. Anything with a peg I'm happy about, because you know, it's easy to have dolls to hold it, and I don't have to use sticky putty all the time. So I can appreciate when the Barbie items have pegs on them. And then also she comes with this exfoliator that is so cute. So this is it right here, and it comes with a little handle, and she can hold it and pretty much exfoliate her face, which I think is so cute. And like, look, she has like, look at that, it's so cute. I love it. Definitely giving what I would do in the bathroom in the morning or at night for my face before work or at night. Like, because you know I wear makeup, so I always want to make sure my face is clean, exfoliated, and I really do love this set. This set is really my vibe completely. And let me know if you like skincare and if this set is something you would buy. And also, it comes with this like loofah kind of sponge, so I guess it's like for taking a shower. That's what I'm guessing for. I don't use these, but I've seen these in bathrooms and like baths and stuff. People like, you rub your like skin with it. I've seen that. It's like a sponge. And also, this is one of the things that really caught my eye when I saw this pack, that it came with like this little wax warmer. It's so adorable. Like, I really love this. This is so cute. Like, I had some of these. Well, the ones I have, you don't have to use a candle. It's electric, and then also has a little peg so she can hold it. But this is something you usually sit on the counter. You don't really hold it, but it's so cute how they added that to the set, because this is what a lot of people do for skincare. We love candles, wax warmers, just a good smelling vibe when you're doing your skincare. Absolutely love that. And also, this set comes with a wooden ducky, which is so cute because, you know, it's like making it a little like more older, because it's not like a child looking ducky. It looks like something like a wooden, or like maybe a soap shaped like a duck. That's what like it could be, and I really do like that. I think that's really cute. It's very aesthetically pleasing to me, in my opinion, and I really like that. And then of course, Barbie can't go without her dog, so her dog is here with his face mask or her face mask, and just prancing along with the skincare routine, because I guess she's gonna be all pampered with her Barbie girl. So, you know, she has her dog and her, and they're getting their skincare on. So let's go ahead and look into the bath set. Also, before I forget, the other pack did come with a foot bath. And it's so cute, and it has little footprints in the bottom. It is so adorable. And it's purple, and it has a little button. Super cute. I could definitely see myself doing photography with this with my doll doing a self-care day. So yeah, that's so cute. Okay guys, so this right here is the confetti bath set. So this is pretty much like a bath set that comes with like little confettis. I guess it's hearts and flowers, but honestly, I got it for this. Look at this right here. This right here, I fell in love with this, and the fact that this is brown and this is a brown neutral color, I had to. And plus, I love the tub, and it's not connected to this, so we're gonna move this tub out. I know, I worked hard on it, I made it myself, but we're gonna upgrade. So let's go ahead and get a closer look at this, and then we can switch things out. Okay guys, so I got the confetti bath set open. So we're gonna start with the doll. So this is a doll right here. She has a very pretty face. You know, let me know. It's a little pixelated, but you know, it's not too bad. And I kind of learned from Everything Dolls that if you put Mod Podge, I don't know if it's Everything Dolls, don't quote me on that, but she was saying if you put Mod Podge on the eyes, it takes away kind of the pixelation of the doll. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys tried this. I want to try it on my channel, so maybe we'll try that in the next video, because I really do want to try it. And our next video has to do with a doll, doing something customizing to a doll. So yeah, so I really do like her face. I don't really like the molded top, because then that limits me in styling her. And then she doesn't have arm articulation. She just moves like this, and she's stuck with her arm bent like that, and this arm just goes out to the side, front and back, and like that. But she has full motion of the head. She has rotation of the hip, and then she bends at the knee. But I really do like this little like cover up situation. I would definitely reuse this on one of my dolls. Definitely, this is really cute. It has little plants around it in the front and the back. I think that is really cute, and I really like that. And also, this bath set is so beautiful because it comes with like a neutral wood rack like you have in your bathroom. And I love this vibe because this is the vibe I like for my bathroom. I like my bathroom to look very like relaxed, and I have like soft tone colors and wood like this in my bathroom. So I'm really happy to have this for my dollhouse because then it could look like my actual bathroom. This really resembles my actual bathroom, but it's only one sink. But you know, I really want to add like more neutral, smaller pieces. So I really do like this. And then also it came with this cute plant, and the leaves are actually bendable. So cute. And I love the detail, and it has a little kitty on the front. And I love the details to this plant right here. I love that Barbie is giving more detail to their things to where they look more realistic, and I really like that. Like, look at that. And then it goes in like that with the peg. And also it came with a sign that says love yourself, which is so important. And I love that they're doing this for dolls because, you know, as kids, we learn from our dolls, and we learn from what we play with. So for me as a kid, if I had this like love yourself, I would love this because, you know, I love myself, you know what I mean? And I hope you guys love yourself too. And I really do think this is really cool, and this is something more modern that people do have in their rooms or bathrooms, and I really do like that. So it's supposed to go on the shelf like this. I'm gonna try to set it up like that, and it's so cute. I think that's totally adorable and very aesthetically pleasing. So the next thing that comes with it, also with that rack part, is this part right here that is like a loofah on a stick. And this is usually like to scrub your back, to reach your back, because I guess it's hard, you know, so when it's hard to reach your back to take a shower or a bath, this really helps. And I love that it's a neutral color. And if you want to paint this like a cute color, because I've seen these in different cute colors online, if you want, you just use acrylic paint and Mod Podge, and there you go. And I really love it. It's textured here, and I really do like that. I really can appreciate that, Barbie. Good job. So next, we're gonna talk about this tub. So the tub is not attached, which I really do like because honestly, I didn't really care for the tub being attached to the other set. I have the other set inside of my Brooklyn apartment dollhouse, and I really like how it's just a simple sink, and it has Barbie on the inside. It's white, and I love it. And the sink is just a regular silver sink, and it comes with like a little teal towel on the front, and I think that's very cute, and in my opinion, of course. And also it comes with a bath tray, and let me show you guys what I love the most about this bath tray. It comes with a candle. So cute. If you like candles in your bath, put a candle emoji in the comments down below, because that is totally cute. I love candles. I love Bath and Body Works candles. I am a Bath and Body Works candle girl. I love candles. I love smelling candles. I love good smelling stuff. I love it. That's my thing, you know. And Valentine's Day is coming up, so you know, if you love your girl, get her Barbies or candles, girl, both. If you really love her, get her both. Get her both. You know, like, nothing says love like a candle, but if you're a doll collector, nothing says love like a doll and a candle. But yeah, so anyways, back to what I was showing you. So, and it also comes with this right here, which it looks like probably like a lotion or maybe a body conditioner, because you know now people use body conditioners in the bath or shower, which this caddy is for a bath. And then this is just the sponge again, like in the other self-care kit. And then it comes with like a little tiny soap, and it says Barbie, and it's a Tiffany blue, and it's really cute, and it has a little section right here where it can sit, and I really do like this a lot. So let's go ahead. Oh, and also before I go ahead and set this up in the bathroom, it does come with a dog. It comes with a little cute little chocolate dog. Let me show you guys the doggy. It's so cute. Look at that. Barbie always has to have her dog. I have so many of these dogs. like a lot. Like I'm starting to have a little collection. These are the little confetti soap that comes with the packs. I usually save these. You know, sometimes when I'm bored, I'll look to see what it does in regular water. I don't like water in my dollhouse because I don't like water in my dollhouse. That's just plain and simple. Because I'm an adult doll collector, you know? Like, I really don't like water on all the work that I've done on my dollhouse, okay? So let's go ahead and upgrade my bathroom with these new Barbie items, and I'll show you guys how the final result comes out. Alright guys, so this is the upgrade to the bathroom. So we have the new toilet here. I added some products to the shelf right there. I added my little wooden shelf right here. I think it's so cute. The dolls right here, just to show you how a doll would look inside this bathroom. I added the bath bombs to the back and the wax warmer. And I added some of the products to the counter. And I think it's so cute and adorable. Let me know in the comments if you guys bought this set and if you guys really like this set. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.